Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Mailchimp to collect email subscribers for e-commerce step by step clearly. If you don't have an account, visit Mailchimp.com to create one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Audience tab on the dashboard. If you don't have an audience set up, click Create Audience and follow the prompts. Once your audience is ready, move to the Integrations section from the drop-down menu. Look for your e-commerce platform, like Shopify or WooCommerce. Click on the integration you wish to use and follow the on-screen instructions. After connecting your store, ensure you configure the settings to sync your customer data with Mailchimp. Next, access the Sign Up Forms section under the Audience tab. Select Embedded Forms to generate a sign-up form for your website. Customize the form according to your branding and needs. Copy the provided HTML code for the form. Now, navigate to your website's content management system. Access the area where you can add custom HTML, like a sidebar or footer widget. Paste the Mailchimp embed code into the desired location and save your changes. Now, head back to your Mailchimp account and create an automated welcome email. Ensure the email reflects your brand and introduces your business and offerings. Test the entire process by subscribing through your website to ensure everything functions properly. Regularly update your email campaigns to keep your audience engaged and informed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.